cost for you. That's all it is. It does not affect your case. They even tell you on the paperwork it doesn't affect the case. Okay?
But it's a resource of the people, and so you can't just go in there and just say, I'm going to take it, because I guess we all share it, maybe?
Actually, there's statutes that say it's a right, so they can't really charge you for it.
Well, they'll grant it. They want to evaluate. They got rules, you know. You declare how much income you have and this sort of thing. I noticed in the Los Angeles Informa Pauperis, they say either provide a financial statement or provide a Social Security number. Okay? Yeah, one or the other. So Aurora, this case that we're looking at, she provided a Social Security number. They granted it. It's okay. The public record out there, the credit reports and all that sort of stuff, they didn't show her being rich. She didn't have the money. So it was all free for her. Okay?
Do you think they pulled a credit report, or maybe they actually charged the case to her?
I don't run their business. I don't know. You know, I'm just saying that it works. It's not a problem. They have no problem granting it if you qualify by their...
The case I've ever filed, I've always done it
yeah.
as a fee waiver, because I have been broke perennially for the last several years.
Right. That is not the issue. See, that's a side issue, and that's such a small expense item. In the big picture of things, that's not a big deal for them.
I've never had a problem with it being granted.
Yeah. Don't pick your battles, okay? You know, go for the real stuff. And okay, but what I wanted to tell you was that you folks that have businesses, you have customers, right? Those customers, do you call them patients if you're not a doctor?
I call mine clients.
Why do you call them? Why would you not call them patients? The doctor owns the term patient, right? That's how our English language seems to be put together. Well, for the same reason that you don't call your customer a patient, you do not call your customers clients. Okay? And the attorneys own the word client just like the doctors own the word patient. You do not have clients, you only have customers. A client is somebody for whom you are in contract with to commit them to some agreement. You are their agent, you can get a commitment for them, and they are obligated to honor the commitment you make for them. A customer is an arm's length relationship. You cannot make decisions for the customer. The customer makes his own decisions. There was a case where this woman was a paralegal, and they arrested and prosecuted her for practicing law without a license. And when the trial commenced, they kept saying to her, clients, talking about her clients, and she would always correct them. No, they were customers. They could not get her to admit she had clients, and she eventually was found not guilty because she had no attorney-client relationship. She could not represent them. She could only suggest to them what to do, and they made their own decisions. Okay? So do not call your customers clients, ever. Okay? In the case of a court of record, the court of record, the word record belongs to a court of record. Equity courts do not have records. That's why you have registry of actions. It doesn't say record of actions. Okay? Whatever terms they use, the one word they don't use is record. Okay. So there you are. All right? And we're going to take a break because he's running out of recording space. Pick up when he starts the machine again.
No, so this stuff you're going over here, it's not on the disc you said?
No.